guys, John here with Vapor Honing Technologies today, reintroducing a new product that we've had a couple years ago and backed by customer demand. We've done some changes and really critiqued the product and brought it to where it is today now. This is the VH450 for those of you who are not familiar with this product. Of course, you guys know we have all shapes and sizes and basically a machine that fits your application or your need or your budget. And so here we are today with a very robust, very durable stainless steel benchtop model cabinet. And as you can tell right now, this cabinet is a little tall. For me, I'm 6 foot. I know average people in the world are around 5'7", 5'8". That's average height, working height, and that's what we normally design around. This cabinet would be well suited for a push cart, something that you would normally roll around your shop. That's the height and really the product that you would want to put this machine on top of. Something that you could move this machine, it makes it mobile. And that's why a lot of people love this. But I want to kind of dive into the product a little bit further. This is a top load machine. So this machine actually opens up just like this. Load your parts in from the top here, and you're rocking and rolling. Very easy to access, very low mess because the door is flipping up, it's not swinging out. So when you put it onto a cart or a workbench, you're not going to make a big mess. Very small footprint. You don't need a lot of space to operate this machine. You don't need any water connections. All you need is air and power, and this machine will run. This thing holds about 12 to 15 gallons max, probably about 12 gallons, which means you're going to need about 15 pounds of abrasive to put in here. Whatever abrasive you need for your application, that's something we can work with you on. But top load, you have an LED light in the cabinet. This machine does have a pumping system in it. It's not a siphon feed system like some people would imagine in something this small. It does have a pumping system in the bottom which agitates the slurry, as you may know, and it pumps it up to the blasting gun. You have the same high quality components in this cabinet that we put in our other industrial machines. Blasting guns, foot pedal. You have a foot pedal operated switch. You have toggle switches over here. One operates your light, the other activates your foot switch, which will activate your pumping system. So you have really precise control of how this machine functions. You flip the light on, you flip the pump switch, and when you load your parts, you're ready to blast by depressing the foot pedal. So you have precision and control over that. Again, hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're going to do some other shots so you can see some of the features around and behind the machine. You do have a water drain off valve that you can drain the water off the abrasive. Then you can pull the abrasive out of the machine without consuming a lot of buckets or a lot of space. But easy to drain the water off the hopper and get that abrasive out. That's one of the features we put on there on the very back side of the machine. But overall, very compact, very simple machine that's going to last you a lifetime.